Vertical lines showing up on your TCL TV screen can be frustrating and surprisingly common. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to troubleshoot and fix the problem right at home. Let's start with the easiest method first: power cycling the TV. Go ahead and turn off your TCL TV completely. After that, unplug it from the power source. Now, find the physical power button on your TV. It might be underneath or on the side, and press and hold it for about 15 to 30 seconds. Once that's done, leave the TV unplugged and wait for around 5 to 30 minutes. When the time is up, plug the TV back in, but make sure you're plugging it directly into a wall socket. Don't use a power strip, because that can sometimes be the reason behind those vertical lines. If the power cycle didn't fix it, let's move on to checking the HDMI and other external cables. Start by unplugging all the HDMI cables and any other connected devices, but leave the power cable in. Now turn the TV back on and bring up the on-screen menu. Take a look. If the vertical lines are still showing up even on the menu, that tells you it's probably not an external device issue. Next, grab another HDMI cable, if you have one, and plug it into a different HDMI port on the TV. Make sure the connectors are clean, and when you plug it in, press it in firmly so it's seated properly. Still seeing the lines? Let's try a couple of physical tricks that sometimes help reconnect loose internal ribbons. First, take a soft towel or cloth and use it to gently hold the screen. This protects it while you work. With your other hand, use the palm and give the back of the TV a few solid but careful taps. Try tapping in the center, on the sides, and near the top. You're just trying to help internal connections reset without opening anything up. You can also try applying some light pressure around the HDMI ports with your finger before reconnecting the cable. Sometimes that can help reseat the connection inside. Now let's check if your TV's software is up to date. Grab your remote and go to the Settings menu. From there, navigate to Support, then select Software Update. If it gives you the option to update by network or USB, go with the network option. Let the update run and see if that takes care of the issue. If for some reason the network update doesn't work, you can try the USB method instead. If none of the previous steps worked, the last thing to try is a full factory reset. This will erase all your settings and apps, so only do this if you're okay with starting fresh. On your remote, go to Settings, then scroll to Device Preferences and choose Factory Data Reset. Follow the prompts, and once it's done, check if the vertical lines are gone. That's it for this video on how to fix vertical lines on your TCL TV screen. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you solve the problem without needing to open up the TV or do anything risky. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and useful tech fixes. Got questions? Or did one of these methods work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd really like to hear what worked in your case. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.